Artificial intelligence is no longer science fiction, it's recommending your next binge watch and routing your Google Maps right now. Ever wonder how AI went from movie screens to our daily lives? Let's find out. Hi everyone, welcome to our AI Universe series. In this first video, we're breaking down artificial intelligence, AI, in simple terms. We'll cover what AI really means, some cool examples of AI you encounter every day, and how you can start learning AI as a beginner. By the end, you'll see that AI isn't magic, it's a toolbox of technologies designed to make machines smart. Let's dive in. Rocket emoji. What is artificial intelligence? AI refers to the broad concept of machines being able to carry out tasks in a way we'd consider smart, similar to human intelligence. Instead of just following hard-coded instructions, an AI system can decide or learn what to do by itself in new situations. AI comes in many forms, from software programs like virtual assistants to physical robots. A key distinction is between narrow AI and general AI. Narrow AI, what we have today, is designed for specific tasks, like recognizing faces or playing chess, and can often do them extremely well, whereas general AI would be a system with broad, human-like intelligence that can perform any intellectual task. This kind of AI remains theoretical for now. In short, whenever a machine displays behaviors we associate with human thinking, such as understanding language, recognizing patterns, solving problems, or learning from experience, that's AI in action. Examples of AI in everyday life. AI is all around us, often behind the scenes, making our apps and services smarter too. Here are some places you've probably encountered AI. Smart assistants. Voice assistants like Siri, Alexa, or Google Assistant use AI to recognize your speech and respond with useful answers. That's natural language processing, a branch of AI. Recommendations. Ever notice how Netflix or YouTube seems to know what you want to watch next? Those suggestions come from AI algorithms analyzing what you've watched and finding patterns too. Social media feeds. AI decides which posts or videos to show you based on your interests and behavior, keeping your feed engaging, sometimes too engaging. Online shopping and ads. E-commerce sites and advertisers use AI to personalize what products or ads you see, predicting what you might like. Navigation and maps. Apps like Google Maps use AI to predict traffic and give you the fastest route by learning from tons of data. These are all examples of narrow AI systems doing specific jobs. They excel at their specialized tasks. A music recommendation AI doesn't need to know how to drive a car, and a self-driving car's AI isn't trying to hold a conversation. The common thread is that each of these AIs is taking in information, making a decision, and producing an outcome that feels intelligent. Real-world applications of AI. Beyond everyday consumer uses, AI is transforming many industries. In healthcare, AI helps doctors detect diseases from medical images, for example, spotting tumors in X-rays. In finance, AI algorithms detect fraudulent transactions by recognizing unusual patterns faster than a human could. In manufacturing, AI-powered robots can inspect products or assemble parts with high precision. There are AI systems writing basic news articles, AI chatbots handling customer service, and even AI composing music. The takeaway: AI isn't one thing, it's an umbrella term covering lots of techniques, like machine learning, which we'll discuss in the next video, and it's enabling machines to perform a wide array of tasks that used to require human intelligence. 3-4. How to get started in AI. Learning path. If all this sounds exciting and you're eager to learn AI, here's a friendly roadmap to begin. 1. Build your fundamentals. Start with learning a programming language commonly used in AI, such as Python. You don't need to be a coding wizard to begin, but basic programming skills are a must. Alongside, brush up on foundational math, especially linear algebra and probability. Don't worry, you don't need a PhD in math. just a grasp of concepts like matrices and statistics will help a lot. 2. Learn the basics of machine learning. Machine learning, ML, is a core subset of AI. We'll explore it in detail in the next video. You can take a beginner-friendly online course on ML or read tutorials to understand how computers learn from data. This will introduce you to key AI concepts because many modern AI breakthroughs are driven by ML. 3. Hands-on practice. AI is not a spectator sport, you learn by doing. Start with small projects. For example, try making a simple chatbot or a program that can distinguish cats versus dogs in images. There are many free datasets and tutorials for beginners. Don't be afraid to use existing libraries and tools, frameworks like scikit-learn for ML, or beginner-friendly platforms like Teachable Machine can get you building something quickly. 4. Explore AI communities. Join communities like AI forums, Kaggle, or student groups, where you can ask questions and collaborate on simple projects. Seeing how others approach problems and getting feedback on your ideas is super valuable. 5. Stay curious and keep learning. AI is a fast-moving field. New developments happen all the time, like the recent surge in generative AI. Subscribe to AI blogs or YouTube channels, like DSN, smiley face emoji, that explain concepts in simple terms. As you advance, you might delve into specific areas that interest you, such as robotics, computer vision, or AI ethics. Remember, everyone starts somewhere, even the experts were beginners at one point. Don't be intimidated by buzzwords or complex concepts. With curiosity and consistent practice, you'll find that concepts click into place over time. Start small, celebrate your progress, no matter how basic, and gradually build up your knowledge. AI is a journey, and there's always something new to learn, which is part of the fun. To sum up, artificial intelligence is the big umbrella idea of making machines smart, and it's already woven into our daily lives, often in ways we don't even notice. From talking assistants to recommendation engines, AI is here, and it's growing fast. The good news is that beginners are welcome in this field. With tons of free resources and communities, you can start your AI learning journey today. We hope this introduction demystified AI and got you excited for what's next. In upcoming videos, we'll dive deeper into machine learning, neural networks, deep learning, and generative AI, the building blocks inside the AI universe. Stay tuned for those. And as always, subscribe to DSN for more videos and drop your questions in the comments.